Hey, it's Mike, and today I want to show you an ETF that can possibly give you some outperformance versus the S&P and the Nasdaq. So if you're not looking to own an individual stock and you just want to have an ETF, but you want to get some pretty good performance, I want you to check out this ETF. It's known as the Nasdaq Next Generation 100 ETF. It trades under ticker symbol QQQJ. And basically, this ETF gave you a gain of almost 0.4% versus a loss on Friday of over 0.4% on the Nasdaq. So it'll give you almost 1% of outperformance. So that's pretty good. So what is the Nasdaq Next Generation 100 ETF? Basically, this ETF, instead of giving you the QQQs, give you the top 100 Nasdaq stocks by market cap. The QQQJ gives you the next 100 under those, so 101 to 200 size NASDAQ stocks by market cap. As you see here, the sector allocation is mostly information technology. It's 48, a little over 48%. You've got 18% in healthcare, communication services, about 11% consumer discretionary, a little over 10%. And let's go take a look at the top holdings here. Top holdings, Trade Desk. After that, Marvell Technology Group. After that, Roku, Okta, Altice, they just gained harder to pronounce here. Liberty Broadband Group, Old Dominion, Garmin, Coupa Software, Yandex, and that's it. So that's the top 10. So there's some familiar names there. I know Roku and Marvell, Old Dominion, Garmin. Some are a little less familiar to me. However, because these stocks are a little smaller, you don't have those big mega cap stocks that are in the NASDAQ 100 like your Apples, your Amazons, your Facebooks. And sometimes when companies get big enough, they don't grow as fast. But when you get these smaller companies in there, you get the potential to find some companies that will grow really quickly. So there is some possibility that you may get some outperformance from the QQQJ. So go ahead and take a look at it. As I said, it did outperform the NASDAQ on Friday. We'll see how the trend continues. This is actually the 5-day chart. It started at 20 last week at 27.70, went up to 28.17. So it's been performing pretty well. That's why I put this on my radar and I wanted to do a video about it. So definitely, if you're looking for an ETF, maybe if like the ARK ETFs are a little too volatile or you're a little too scared of those and you want something a little better than the NASDAQ, then check out the QQQJ. It might be a sweet spot for what you're looking for. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe and then turn on notifications because I do multiple daily updates on stock options and stock trading strategies. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.